Greetings, mad boys and girls. Today we are experimenting on a Vizio home theater soundbar that I found for $5 at Goodwill. And the reason it's over the sink is this is where my soldering station is. The power port is out of order. It's not working. I have the correct power supply for it. But it doesn't have the right plug, which I cut off. I'll show you in just a second here. This is the power plug that I cut off. It does not fit. I've gone through 2 orders on Amazon. Neither fit, but they are the right amperage and voltage. So, what I'm going... 1 amp max. I think it was higher than that, but we'll find out. So these 2 lines here are ground and power, and I got ground and power here. So I'm going to solder these onto here. So if this is my last video, you know why. So hopefully everything will go fine, and I will have a later video. Or I will edit this, and we will have it up on YouTube. So, see you. Okay, so I just finished soldering. Somewhere I put my solder down, and I don't know where, and it's gone. So I finished just in time. Got this soldered up. I have my, I'm going to take the tab off just in case, my fire extinguisher. I've got my remote, and that's still hot, so I'm trying to be careful of that. I'm going to unplug the Keurig, and no explosions. That's great. Can't tell if it's working though. Oh, I see light. Yay. Let's turn that off. I guess I'll have... Oh, there we go. I got power. Yay! Oh, it went off. Okay, on, off. Maybe it doesn't have enough voltage. Seems to be okay. It is... Seems like it's turning on and off, though. That's... Okay, now it's off. On. Check the light. That keeps turning off, so I am not sure what is going on yet, but at the moment it is at least got power, so that's great. So I will continue this in a less heart-wrenching... I was really afraid this was going to explode, because I plugged in a different adapter the other day, and as soon as I plugged it in, it actually did like spark, like really spark, and I always have a fear that things are going to explode, and I think it harkens back to a time when I tried to make a tweeterbird kit, and I don't know electronics all that well. I tried to hook up a 9-volt tweeter to a 110 socket outlet. That doesn't work. It exploded in my face. So I still have those fears. So yeah, my shirt says lucky. So I would consider myself more blessed today. So thanks for watching. I will try to continue this later. Okay. Oh, okay. It is recording. All right. So I just got the manual and looking at it and all that stuff. I finally figured out what input I need to be on. So now I'm gonna test it. It works! Oh, sound. Stereo sound. It sounds great. So, alright, well, it worked. Now, I recommend you watch Idiocracy. So it's me one more time. So I got the soundbar working, and I got my Super Mario Maker 2 up and running. I actually got my TV to cooperate too, which is great because my LG TV was having a ton of problems using the optical port, and I thought it wasn't working. So, but this is one of my levels on Super Mario Maker 2. This is Expert 8 Red Coins 2, version 2. And I did actually make it a little bit easier to get the red coins on it, and I really hope that you will give it a try. The course ID is FJC-FF9Q7G. Please give it a try and let me know what you think about it. It's a 1-1 remake, but it's got a shellish twist. Shellish twist. There we go.